Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe. We do have a frog situation in our neighborhood. That's totally not our house. But look how many frogs there are. And let's move on to our driveway. And everyone, let's move on to our driveway. Look at our driveway. All those black dots are frogs. All those black dots are frogs.
Whoa, they all like disappeared though.
There's a bunch earlier. I know, there's so much. Oh, I was squished. Like, look at these guys. Oh. Like, look.
Pitch them.
Like, look at these guys. They're just adorable.
Mm-hmm. That is pretty cute.
Oh.
Look at these ones.
I know. They're just adorable. Let's move on. Come on, let's go, guys. Let's go and investigate the neighborhood. Oh, that one's pretty tiny. I mean, there's so many. Okay, well, we're gonna end it, and by the way, welcome to part 2. This is actually part 2. So, there's a bunch of frogs in our neighborhood. They're all in the street and stuff. Alright, well, see you later. Peace.